Okay, so to get started with Quizizz, you will just type in the web address, which is quizizz.com, and you'll come to this page. You will just click on the Get Started, and that will help you get started into setting up your quizzes. Now, once you're here, you can either search for quizzes that have already been created, you can go by grade level, or you can just put in something in general, or you can create your own quiz. Once you're signed up, you can just log in when you get here for it to save all of your information. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go to My Quizzes. I created a quiz this morning that my children took so we could look at some results. I'm going to click on the one that says Disney Movies. Over to the side, it shows me the different questions that are in this quiz. And I can go here and I can either assign this for homework, or I can play live now for my students to go ahead and take this in class. Once I click play live, I'm allowed then to decide how I want to set this up. Do I want to jumble the questions, jumble the answers, give short answers, or show quiz review? And once I've decided those things for this quiz, and I click proceed. Now, when I get here, I'm going to have to give my students this 6-digit code right here to access this quiz. Once they have this, they will be able to take the quiz. Okay, I'm just going to go back here and show you some results, the results page. So I'm going to go over here to where it says My Reports after my students have taken the quiz. And it's going to show me the completed quizzes that I have. And I can look at the top players and the quiz names and the dates of the quizzes here. So here are the questions from my quiz this morning. I have 5 questions on it. I can see that both of the players got all of these answers correct. And I can see which question they might have missed, if they had missed any. I can look at the players specifically. This one shows that both players got 5 out of 5 questions correct. And it shows their point score based on this one was based on how fast they answered the question. That's why one scores higher than the other, because Ainsley answered questions faster than Brooks. But it does show me that they got all of the questions correct. Now I can print this report page, or I can download it to Excel, which will be very useful for you to analyze your student data to see how well your students had done on a certain thing. If you want to look at the public quizzes, we are going to, here's one right here on the solar system. So this is one that someone created 3 days ago, and it's on a 4th grade level. And if I wanted my students to do this, I would again decide if I wanted them to play it live or do it for homework. I can look down here at the questions and the choices and how long they are given, 30 seconds for each question. So if I decide this is what they want to do and I want them to play now, I will simply click play live and proceed, and it will again give me this code that my students need to put in. And this is how they would take a quiz that's already created.